We went head first into the fire. Watch the flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done, when all is said and done, we went head first into the waves. We were right there in the eye of the storm. When I look back, I see it clear. I tried but couldn't give you more. You were a great one at the wrong time. I could never give you what you need and deserve. We went head first into the waves until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I hope you think of me with love when all is said and done. 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 Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. When all is said and done. When all is said and done. When all is said and done.
Welcome back to the channel for another Buc-ee's construction update. Today is Saturday, March the 8th, 2025. We are in Huber Heights, Ohio.
The site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. It's a nice day out today. It's about 45 degrees, blue skies and sun, but it is a little windy. So hopefully we can keep our hats on before we get this done. So we've got good news and bad news today. The good news is the drone video is going to show us that all the support beams are in place for the fuel islands out at the construction site. We counted 50 support beams out there, which is 25 rows, and 4 pumps per row. That comes out to 100 gas pumps. Okay, for the bad news, last week they announced that the grand opening for Buc-ee's would be delayed. It would not be in December of 2025. It's been pushed to the first quarter of 2026. The reasons for the delay are the lawsuit that was going on between the city of Huber Heights and Clark County, and also the delay in moving the 2 power poles that were in the way out there. It doesn't really come as a surprise to us that it's not going to open in 2025. Everything that we'd heard prior to the groundbreaking said that it takes 18 months to build a Buc-ee's after the groundbreaking. And the groundbreaking here was in August of 2024, which would put the grand opening at, if it's 18 months, in February of 2026. So just about right where we're going to be, maybe a little bit of a delay. They'll announce more details as we get closer to the opening. Out on the site today, there's a lot of activity going on. Where the building location is going to be, there's all kinds of activity out there. The north parking lot's got some activity, and the fuel storage tanks, looks like they've done some work there. So it's nice to bring you an update where We've actually got a lot of things to show you different than the last week. I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Just a nameless face, every day unseen, hiding in the shadows of the world so mean. A forgotten soul, living in a world so cold. A silent scream from a story untold. In the quiet of the night, you're walking through the shadows of a world forgotten. For the unsung heroes, for the battered soul, find your way to the light. Under the city lights, you roam alone. An invisible world we've never known. As the night descends and the shadows grow long, will you find a place where you